Now that your candidate has been offered a role, and on the basis of that offer being accepted, we're going to make a placement. For consistency, we'll start from the requirement record, and once again we'll return to the Candidates tab. On the row of your intended candidate, you'll be able to access the offer record via the Apple icon. To begin with, the offer will be at the state of pending. If there are any adjustments to be made about the offer, you can edit this record, but when ready, go to the top right options. If you were rejecting the offer, you will click on Reject Offer, but as we're proceeding on the basis of an agreement, we're going to click on Accept Offer. This will convert the offer record into a placement, so you'll need to confirm that you wish to do this. Now that the record is a placement, you can edit any last-minute details before sending confirmation letters or emails to the associated candidate and contact. Again, we'd suggest you create a number of emails and letter templates suitable for the various placements you'll make. Further merge fields are also available whilst writing any emails or letters. If you are happy with the details held against the placement, which can also include commission splits and rates, you can now authorize the placement. This is done so by selecting View More and then Authorize. This will lock down the data fields in the placement to make it read-only. At this stage, the expectation would be that you pass this over to your finance team or line manager so that they can approve and second level authorize the placement. This is achieved by again selecting View More and then Authorize. History records will also be created against the placement, tracking these events. Back in the requirements and indeed on the candidate, contact and placement record, you'll be able to access the placement via this icon.